The most exciting part of transitioning into high school is just the fact that it's high school. As a kid, I always dreamed about going to high school, and I'm pretty sure everybody else did too. And you gain a lot of independence, and you finally feel like you're your own person.
I have a really good relationship with the upperclassmen. Like when I was a freshman, I always had a good relationship with the guys up there because I played basketball with them. So it was just nice to like feel like I'm incorporated like the first year that you're at Walden.
You go from 8th grade into the freshman year, and there's a huge difference in what you're allowed to do.
You get to kind of do what you want, plan your own schedule, choose when you want to do homework. And I'm a very independent person and I like doing things on my own, so the transition to high school was really exciting for me.
I'm currently involved in the yearbook club.
Well, I do play basketball, like I said.
And I'm also involved, this is outside of school, but I'm also involved in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
I play volleyball for Walden, and then I'm also involved in a lot of clubs here. I'm involved in the Kiva Club, Key Club, Yearbook Club, Girl Up Club, and then a new club that I helped start called WBSU, which is a Walden Black student organization. We really wanted to start it so that we can get our voice heard and educate everybody else on, the experiences that we go through as African Americans in high school.
At Walden, I feel like I'm part of a larger and supportive community because everyone here is so accepting, and no matter how much of an eccentric person you are, that's completely fine here.
I feel like Walden is a great community. I feel like the people here really care about not just like how the community's doing, but the individual person.
I chose to attend Walden because it's an extremely accepting school, and I know that from going here in eighth grade that this school is just wonderful, and the teachers are really kind, and the small class sizes allow the fact that you get to really know your teachers.
It also allows you to make a ton of friends. I'm friends with almost everybody here at Walden, and I love the fact that I can know everybody and everybody knows me. And then also, a small community allows great college counseling. You get to have a one-on-one experience with your college counselor so that they can really prepare you and individualize your plan. From day one at Walden, I felt like I had known everybody for years. They were very accepting, very welcoming. The teachers, the staff, the students, just everything was such like a big family.